Hi there, I'm Keith Schneringer, Senior Director of Marketing for Jansan and Sustainability for BradyPLUS. We're a specialized distributor of Jansan food service and industrial packaging supplies serving the whole country. And when I think about advice for companies who are just starting on their sustainability journey, a key piece of advice would be to educate yourself. Just understand, what are the different facets and how they relate to your specific company and how they can help your company be better, help your company better serve your customers, and have you just be better business stewards. A tip that I'd like to share that maybe not a lot of people are talking about as it relates to sustainability is the importance that sustainable choices and safer choices that people are making when it comes to how they're cleaning their buildings. I would really encourage people to think about the effect that what we're doing has on indoor air quality and the positive effect that some of our more sustainable choices for supplies can have on indoor air quality when you think about, a better filtration for vacuums, microfiber, low VOC chemistry, etc.